Hi everybody, so I was thinking about the math video and I ran out of time and I think you're probably going to struggle to do this. So this is a bonus video for maths that if you're struggling with the method that you can come here and you can see me go through 4 questions step by step so you can see what you've got to do. So as you can see on the board I've got would you rather 3/6 or 7/8. Okay, so looking down here at my method steps, the first things I'm going to do is write the multiples of each denominator. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. That's how far I'm going to go for now. I'm going to see if I've got a lowest common multiple. So 8s. So we're going to go 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. And I can already see for step 2, my lowest common multiple is going to be 24. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to find the equivalent fractions for 3/6 and for 7/8. So they're both in 24ths. So 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4. Is 24, and if we've times the denominator by 4 then we have to times the numerator by 4, so 3 times 4 is 12. Exact same thing for 7/8. So 8 times 1, 2, 3 is 24. 7 times 3, 7, 14 is 21. Now I don't know about you, but I'd rather have 21 pieces of cake than 12 pieces of cake, so 3/6 or 7/8. I know that 3/6 is less than 7/8, so I would rather have 7/8. Let's try another one. I've got 5/7 or 2/3. So exact same thing, starting by writing the multiples. I've got 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Same for 3s, 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, oh not 18, dear me, 15, 18, 21. And I can see straight away that 21 is going to be my lowest common multiple. So 5/7 into 21ths and 2/3 into 21ths. So 7 times 1, 2, 3 is 21. 5 times 3 is 15. 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is 21. 2 times 7 is 14. So 5/7 or 2/3. 5/7 is 15 21ths. 2/3 is 14 21ths. So 5/7 is greater than 2/3, and I would rather have 5/7 because I'll get more parts of the cake. Exact same thing now, but for putting fractions in ascending and descending order. So the exact same thing is going to need to happen again. We're going to have to write our multiples for each number, and I'm just going to do that and then pause the video and then come back. So as you can see, I've got all my multiples here. 24 is going to be my lowest common multiple, and I'm going to change every fraction that I see here into 24ths. Oh, so 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 24. 1 times 6 is 6, which makes 6 24ths. 12 times 1, 2 is 24. 4 times 2 is 8, which gives us 8 24ths. 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4 is 24. 3 times 4 is 12, which gives us 12 24ths, and 5 times 8, 8 times 3 is 24, 5 times 3 is 15, which gives us 15 24ths. Now I'm just going to have to rub out the multiples so we can do the next stage. So once you've got everything into 24ths, you can put all the 24ths into descending order. Now remember, descending order is down, biggest to smallest. So 15 24ths was my biggest chunk, then 12 24ths, then 8 24ths, then 6 24ths. Now I've got them written as 24ths, I can write them underneath in their original form. So we should have had 5 8ths, then 3 6ths, then 4 12ths, and finally 1 quarter. Okay, I've got one more example for you, and then you should have lots of examples to help you. So this one is put the fractions in ascending order. So the exact same thing I did before, I'm going to go in and write my multiples. Okay, 12, 24, 36, 48, 18, oh, not 18, 12, 18, 24, so 24 is my lowest common multiple, so I can put all these fractions into 24ths. 6 12ths into 24, 12 times 2 is 24, 6 times 2 is 12, which gives me 12 24ths. 1 6th into 24ths, 6 times 4 is 24, 1 times 4 is 4, so I've got 4 24ths, 5 12ths, 2 times 12 is 24, 5 times 2 is 10, which gives me 10 24ths, and finally 1/3 into 24ths. 8 times 4 is 24, 1 times 8 is 8. So now I can do the exact same thing I did before. So I'm going to write them in their 24ths first, and then write them in their original form, ascending order, so smallest to biggest. So 4 24ths, 8 24ths, 10 24ths, and 12 24ths. Okay, now underneath I can write them in their original form. So we had 1, oh, not 1/3, 1/6, 1/3, 5 12ths, 5 12ths, yeah, and 6 12ths. Go off now and have a go at the questions. You've got everything that you need, and you can always pop me an email if you need any help.